Hello again, guys. Good evening, everyone. Good evening. How you guys all doing? Hey, Axer. Hey, Sock. Hey, MK. Hey, Nick. Hey, Steve. Hello, guys. Hello. Good evening. Good evening. How's your evening going? How was your evening? Hello, guys. Hello. I see Nick. All right. Yeah, that sounds a little late. That sounds a little late. A little too late already. After all the studies and stuff, basically when you're already kind of working. 1 second, there we go. Hopefully not affecting you really there. Hopefully not gonna affect you there at least. Hopefully. Well, I mean, maybe not like exactly, disability by the book, how it is, but how it was, like, manifesting itself with him, I guess, or something. Could be that. Maybe just, some of the things that were happening, they couldn't really handle that. Doesn't sound like it's a good thing to do still, Couldn't figure it out before he started working or something. 3 months of work already even, yeah. Need to say disabled enough? No, it should be like, in that sense, it should be in papers for some sort of like subsidies and stuff from the government. But yeah, maybe that was something that gets the subsidy, but manifests itself in the ways that they couldn't like handle. I don't know. Could be something like that. It just wasn't really working. It wasn't really working with them. It's been 3 months already, damn son. It's been a while. Been a while. It's been quite a while. Alright, so now let's see what we gonna do today. Think I'll need to do fixing then. I think we need to do some fixing. A little bit. And get maybe some death condition or something. Still sounds a bit oof, yeah. Well, 3 months here actually, yeah. So technically could happen. So they like tried after 3 months and said, nope. It does happen though, that does happen. Still should be as an experience and everything too, I guess. Still can be tracked and everything, hopefully. So shouldn't be too bad at least for them. Hopefully we'll find something. Let's see. First, we're gonna get the bug achy feature removed. It's the only way we're gonna need this calculation here. If the attack is more than defense. Doesn't happen to you? Well, I mean, depends what kind of diagnosis here. Oh, this the thing. Damn, Steve, feels bad, man. That brutal. That brutal. No. this. Well, let's see. I can the same one here. There we go. Let's see. In the Age of Wonder still there. Still going ham. Let's see. Well, I mean, yeah, if you don't have any complaints and everything, then why not? Shouldn't be a problem. Shouldn't be a problem for you. I think if they would be just like, you know, kicking him because oh, like the diagnosis on paper, they would probably tell him already way before. So I think they give him a go, and then something, you know, give it him. Something wasn't really working, so they just decided not to even bother. Yeah, and they just kick him out. See, like I don't tell what I mean. I don't think it's from the fact that he has some diagnosis on paper. Alright, sometimes UI is not getting cleaned, actually. I'll need to check that. I need to check. Giga Hobo, Monka is. Run. Rip. Go negative, huh? We lost. Finds a job somewhere? Probably will, yeah. So good, Nick. So good, don't worry. Not that simple to lower my mood, eh? Yeah, some of these don't remove it. You hobo is insane. Let's see, why are you not removing? Reset UI. Should work, I think. Oh, wait, I know why. Again. I don't need to get all of it in. Only this one in. Pig, yeah. I'm gonna take all of them in. Hey, Kim. Yeah, be coding a little bit. Be coding a little bit. That should be fine there. Need to move that UI there. Need to move the UI. Oh, they actually added the models and stuff and assets. All here. All gonna be here. Not sure how exactly. We'll get to that part. We'll get to that part. We will. Alright, now we're gonna get the checks for HP and everything. Get some to keep over the screen, probably. The 18 people, damn son. That's a lot of people there indeed. I just hope it's not the... because of the general current situation. The current situation with all the economy and everything. Or that they're like, you know, using that as an excuse to lay off some people, basically. Just to literally drag them into unity, I see. Alright, fine, let's move this. I think it's better to align them that way. You can see, on the scale solution, yeah. You gotta do what you gotta do, you know. For the time being. The quality UIs, It is what it is, Will that fit that one, daughter? I just want to see him. So we can fit that one. Can that all with some hobo solutions for the time being? Okay, now HP is not fitting. Come on, dude. Come on. Come on. The UI is already there. It's minimalism, dude. It's a very minimalistic one. Clearly. Super aligned, but whatever, I guess. We'll roll with that. Yeah, I mean, we just to see some stuff, you know. How things go, huh? Let's do zoomed in. Whatever. Bruh, come on. Come on. How big we need to make it then? Come on. Still allowed to worry, just don't be. Lol. Simple as that. Simple as that. You know the drill. Can't touch them to that way. Alright, we'll see. We'll, like, the alignment and stuff we will deal with later. Not that the highest priority. He's scuffed anyway. We'll just need to test the rest. Dude, you're joking, man. How? Oh, I know how. I know how. That's how. And everything is getting snapped there, even. Insane. No, it's gonna be fine. The Twitch emotes onto this chat. Oh, 7TV. 7TV. Need to install the 7TV plugin. I download them. Sure. That will do at least, alright. Sure. Oh, no, it's just 7TV. Good away was one of the emotes. It is. Oh yeah, 7TV should be enough. It's not perfect, but I mean, does something. You need to install it and need to enable YouTube there, and then it should work. But it's kind of like sometimes tricky to make it work, to be honest. Still didn't bother with it myself, to be honest. I already like, you know, recognize emotes from the text anyway. So I just see them there. I just see them there in my head. Need to make Chatterina for YouTube, that'll be nice. But considering they have like different way of handling chat, not like on Twitch whatsoever. That's probably not gonna happen anytime soon. I think YouTube probably not gonna even allow any like proprietary chat clients for that. Alright, so now we need to check for the HP. Post links now. You can try. Did you? Don't see anything. I don't see anything. Yeah, looks like no. I'm not sure actually. Maybe need to remember to look into it. What's with the links there? How to make that work? How to make that work? Actually, 1 second. The top chat, not the live chat. But that doesn't change anything, I feel. Doesn't change anything, I feel. Oh shit, Zup. That's you. I'll see. Hello, man, hello. Oh, nice, nice. Hello, sir. Got the 7TV to work. That one is kind of tricky usually. If you got it to work that fast, that's pretty good. Maybe they even improved the stuff. People had a lot of issues doing that before. Yeah, we do, man. Yeah, we'll be having some evening cozy sessions for a little bit. A little bit. So let's see. I guess I should put the checks also in the functions every time, right? So as soon as we get below 0, we should load another scene. And I think I should make that scene then. Nice, nice, nice. Was it like on Firefox people had issues before, or was it on Chrome other way around? I don't remember. Like one of the browsers was having some issues with that stuff. Good that it works though. Good that it works. I need to save it this way, right? Seen as game over. Let's do it. Yeah, just event update of player. Yeah, I mean that might be not that bad of a thing really. But then it's gonna be like every frame it's gonna be checking, so like it's better probably to do the check when we actually do something that changes the HP. So that kind of makes sense. A little bit more. It all kind of depends like which ways it will be affecting the player's HP. But I guess every time they do affect, we can also check. Probably. I'm not sure if that's a good idea, but it should be a working idea at least. If we unload, we only have this one, right? Let's see, like I say, could be. Could be. Did it also like apply some like cameras and stuff here? I guess it's gonna read later. Alright, so let's see, and we just gotta do... For now at least, let's get a UI, canvas, camera, main camera, in canvas we do... I could go to like the panel. I was like summary or something I was thinking to do maybe. Can make it a bit smaller. All right. This way. Now here. For the summer I am. I guess we can just add like a few counters or something. Or we can get the names stored in the list, for example. Want to say like what do we encounter, for example? How to do this better, I wonder. Like list something. Should it be text? I'll try text, I guess. Make a list in code, yeah. It's kind of weird. Like it removes all the text. Guess we can do it some kind of other way. Well, we can do multiple fields too, of course. Like this one, and then another one where we're already gonna put the info in. It's gonna be replaced anyway. You're right. So we're gonna be putting that stuff in there. And button to restart, true. Actually true. Actually true. Might get a bit too many of them. I mean, I cannot scroll there, I guess. Let's try the overlap, the overflow with scroll. Let's try this way, I guess. Sure, that's how it works. I guess we'll find out. Alright, button. I mean, we can even do some proper shit here. Alright. For now, I guess I need to unload this. We'll figure the rest later. So I'll need some sort of, yeah, we'll need the list then. An encounter handler. So we already kind of get current encounter. Yes, it's current encounter name. It's like no matter what, we will need to do it. Oh wait, we need the list though first, right? So we'll need to put it here probably, right? So we can get it out from here. Or how should we do it? So that will be a list string, I guess. String let's try. So now got a name. So we'll need like the counter here too. Just like this basically, right? Don't need any parameters on this one, I think. He knows, he knows. Look at him. Ooh, now we need to start eye on the initiate then, right? Yeah. We just need to take it in the very start, I think. Just an odd. Like here. No, that's something else, I feel. Is it? Counter name.odd. Oh, there is, yeah, okay. That's more convenient for sure. That's more convenient than having a bunch of this stuff. Well, actually, it doesn't like something though. What do you like? I cannot assign to odd because it is a method group. The method group, maybe 1 second there. Maybe it's not kind of odd there. Oh, wait a second. I see what you mean. This way, I guess. I'll see how it is. Alright, so he's gonna be adding this shit. Counter names, alright. After that, we'll need some sort of handler, I guess, there too. Load them all for now. The Fiesta there. Yes, we did the scene handler. Scene handler had the script. And script wasn't really even doing that much. Yeah, just launching stuff. Which I will add them. I guess with the script also. Script in the game. Good evening. Hello, sir. We still used in other scenes. It's an interesting question, actually, yeah. Not sure, not sure. I can do like from one scene to another scene. I mean, we'll see. You need to find some way to do it, I guess. Something interesting there. Should probably call it like the scene handler, really, though. Even though... Now this one only does the start. Actually, let's see. Can I just maybe use it here? Scene manager, load scene. Avoid a launch game. Let's try if I can add it to buttons then. Like to this button, for example. A button on click. Can we get this one in? Nah, I can't. Seems like. Actually, no, wait a second. That was. Yeah. So it doesn't work, seems like then, I guess. Because it should be object, if I remember correct. Yeah, it should be specifically object. Yeah, okay, so it doesn't actually. It does work from another scene, eh? Can't use it that way. So we need another one. Actually, the script said, yeah, I mean, I guess. Scene handler into all the scenes, yeah. That is true. That is true. Well, I mean, we're gonna rename it, whatever. It's not even being used much anyway. Now we need to rename it here, isn't it? Come on. Can't get my tea. Oh, the tea's waiting. Alright, so that should be... how did I call it? I call it menu. Menu, yeah. There we go. The death function, yeah. Ooh, could remove from buttons. True, actually, true. I mean, there's only one, but still, yeah. Well, we can put the functions on scenes here. Well, yeah, that we can also do, I guess, sure. Alright. Yeah, the load dead screen, yeah. True. No additive singular. Alright. So we need this button only, I think, requires some change now. It already renamed itself. Good shit. Seems like it. Smart. Actually renamed. 1 second T. Got me some Pipiego sticks. Feels good, man. Feels good, man. With some old bond. So small now, though. 32-gram package. It's like $1, I think. Because I mean, kind of nothing, but yeah, there is also not that much in there, really. I mean, actually, kind of Alrighty, I guess could be worse. Could be worse. 50% there, yeah. It's also like discount though for $1, so normally even more. Even more normally. But yeah, this package half is there for sure. Actually, no, we need that duplicate, I guess, probably. Or just make it into the asset. And then we put it there. I've been doing that way. Has to go that way, alright. What if we duplicate? It still creates this one. So I guess we kind of need to do it that way. I just wonder if you can make it. I'll just copy it. It makes the one with different name though, that's the thing. Like, is there a way to make the same stuff in different scenes, I wonder? I mean, I guess it will be kinda same. But the name, that doesn't matter. And will it understand that? I guess. Alright, this was a restart. And this one was the menu. And that was it was a launch game. No wait, it was no. I'll restart on the menu. No, that doesn't sound right. Let's do this way. So this one was a main menu, and this one was launched then. There we go. And that should do. And now for now, let's get something that gets us here after all. So we do it here. Well, I mean, we could just, yeah, like on update on the players, we can just do that. But that doesn't sound that good, huh? I think it's better to update when we actually do something with the AGM. I get component, player spin, health. Less than equals 0. And then we get basically game over then. And that was oh, do we need to reference this one too? Yeah, we need to reference, alright. We need to reference first. I only need scripts really though. Key emoji despair. Yeah, what would work here though? Like script. And just nah, that would not gonna be that good though. And the name of the script. And you just put like the script here. No, that's this thing. Can you just put the name in general? Scene functions? Oh, it was, right? Yeah, it was scene functions. I guess. And then we just drop the script there, alright. Alright, we need to get some components here. Yeah, PPG. I shouldn't autocomplete there, yeah. Can we just directly? The function name. It does work. Wow. This simple. That was the one, right? Yeah. That's pretty simple. Alright, so we record that stuff too. And now we need to send that info to another scene. That's gonna be interesting, I guess. I wonder how that works. And that's even possible. I mean, maybe if we kind of send it to some object that exists in both scenes, since all the copies usually kind of have the same shit in. But not sure. Irrational. Both scenes would need to be active. I guess, yeah, that could be. And I could try to just reference some script direct, maybe. Could try to reach the text there, maybe. There is one, Stavia, there is one. But that one is kind of like becoming very PPG, I think. Yes, Dave, true. I can reference that stuff even. We should some sort of like scriptable object or something being created then. Like some sort of storage. That will be kind of like an assets here, basically. Oh, let's try the Google. First actually request. How to pass between. No, yeah, because apparently it is kind of dank. Yeah, so there is like don't destroy on load, eh? Seems like. Because when it becomes inactive, everything gets destroyed, eh? Or we need to get the static variable actually. And then you should be able to send it apparently. Hey Rev, yeah. Well, making the end the game over screen. Yeah, now we need to get the list of counters into the different scene. So you're looking into it, and looks like that's quite the common question. Yeah, you need something that is not getting destroyed on scene and load, eh? Or you need static variable, or you need to save them. Oh, is that simple? Yeah, I'm looking into it now. In different options. Yes, you can serialize it into the JSON, or you can store it in the player prefs apparently too. But the player pref seems like something for a lot of info. It's like serializing or don't destroy on load or static. I guess static for the list is gonna be not very good, right? Scriptable objects also work. It works with scriptable object. Oh yeah, I see it. I see it. Yeah, yeah. The data containers. So you can create one basically that way. Scriptable object instance. And they don't destroy stuff. Wait, where? I think I saw it somewhere. With some of the functions there. Oh, the scene tree. It should work already. Yeah, don't destroy on low. This one. The debug updater, yeah. But can we reference something there? Can we reference something there? The function would put the object in there if you use it. Alright. This all works. Yeah, there it is still. I mean, I could try that. I'm just thinking which one is like the better way. And where will we put that then? The scene handler is static? No, it isn't. Scene handler isn't. We just basically kind of copied it in different scenes. Can you just make it static and still do it? Like if we set it like the static, for example, here, right? Can we... Can we use out this one then if it's static? No, I can't still. That's the problem, kind of like you needed to yeah, the encounter manager was single. Yeah. Yeah, maybe there is a better way though. Instead of creating all these objects everywhere, maybe there is a better way. But it doesn't see. So if you want to do like on button, do some functions from a handler, you can't really add it here. So that's why we got the copies of it going. Didn't scene handler save them? I mean, we could. Or an encounter manager. I mean, that's where we kind of do everything anyway, so might as well. Yuke. Might as well. Yeah, can't make the whole object static. Yeah. And that's why you need to not destroy it indeed, eh? Yeah, game object inherit from object. In which script you actually do it? Interesting question. To use it if the data keeps the pass to the next scene inherits from object, component, or is a game object. So don't destroy on load, eh? The game object. Okay. The list generated list is encounter handler. This one. Oh, this one. I mean, it doesn't matter. We can save it like here too, I guess, if it will be possible. Why not? See that thing alive. So we're keeping encounter handler alive then. The scene handler. And then in the scene handler we're gonna be reading from it. And then he waits for 3 scenes. I guess, alright. But the thing is, like, we have 3 copies of it, that's the thing. We have all 3 copies of that. All 3 copies of scene handler, that's the thing. Yeah, but if we remove other copies, we can't use it on buttons, though. There probably should be some other way to do it, but it doesn't work. Like, I can't reference it in the button. Can't use it on the button. Should be a singleton as well, yeah. But I'm not sure how it works between scenes, though. Because it just doesn't work this way. Like, scene handler, if you drop from only one, then it just doesn't work. It just refuses to work that way. That's why we made the copies, basically. Otherwise, you just can't use this one in there. There should be some way to do it. Maybe like not the game object, maybe like something else. No, we have that function. We do, yeah. But we also kind of like buttons to start and the buttons to restart and everything. We need to assign an on click, and for the on click you need a reference. At least it kind of asks for it, so I'm not sure. You can. I think we tried directly to get it in there, wasn't it? Didn't we? And I think it didn't work if you try directly to do it. Or can you? No, it doesn't work that way, yeah. You can reference, but it doesn't work. Maybe there is a way to make it work, though. So we can just reference the script, and then we don't need all these copies then. But I'm not sure. Yeah, we can call the switch scene from every... You mean like just making another... Don't I understand the problem? So like we have a button to start the game, and on the dead screen we have the button to restart the game and go to the menu basically. So we need to have on click. Yes, we have functionality. The game ends. Yeah, that one we already have. That's not a problem. Problem is just passing the encounters to the end game. Slapping a scene manager in different scenes. But that's what we have, though. That's what we kind of have right now. There might be a way to make it on-click with the script. So you can reference the script instead of an object. But it doesn't see the function, though, for some reason. Well, I mean, that we kind of have, though. Like, we switch to the dead gis screen. We switch already. Yeah, encounters to the end screen. Maybe removing the scene handlers here and keeping only one copy. I don't know if that's possible. I mean, it should be somehow. But then we'll need to figure out what to feed buttons. My friends already built scene manager, create new one each scene. And then with like reference it to the button. Like, you don't even need that, really. You can just, like, do it, really, right? But we need the on-click, though. We need the on-click stuff on the buttons. Maybe we can literally just put this on the button. I'm not sure, actually. Yeah, I guess maybe you just can just, like... Maybe that's an option, actually. I'm not sure. Unity engine seed management. But I mean, that's already... Wasn't that pretty much kind of everywhere? No? Like, we could. Yeah, I don't understand what it does, though. Like, why? Like, what it's gonna do? It's kind of workaround. Like, it works already. We don't need workaround for a workaround. We'd rather solve it, I guess. Yeah, that's what we're kind of trying to get. Yeah. That's what we're trying to get, kinda. How to pass it properly. And the end game starts and don't destroy it. I mean, sure, we can try. How do we create that? Alright, don't destroy and load, we need them. Now, can we just like make encounter manager, for example, to not be destroyed on load? I want it to be easier. I want it to be easier. Let's try that. Alright, so the syntax of I didn't really exactly get. So on void awake, we will need to go. Where is our awake there? All the way here. So on start, I guess we even need there. So on start, I guess, right? On start, don't destroy and load. Let's transform game object that way. Well, the game object, I guess, maybe. Because, I mean, that's this game object, right? So, should we? And then we try, see how it works. There it is. Yeah, so it doesn't die here. This one is alive. I mean, we can pass it on something else, but that's kind of like our big thing, I guess. Now die. Well, I mean, we need Giga Hobo, and then we die. Give me Giga Hobo. Oh, that's all we need there. It's no Giga Hobo, man. It didn't take a while. Without Giga Hobo. Hurry. And then you get 2 in a row. Lucky. Press key to the function for testing. Yes. Sub on the hobo. Sub on the hobo. Here is. Well, that clearly didn't work. That didn't work hard even, I guess. Let me see why. Oh, let me see why. Scene handler not work? Oh, that's a weird one. Your work? I haven't run it yet. Oh yeah, wait a second. Did we even? That's actually a good point. Did they do that? I think I was like going so hard on doing things that I completely forgot about that. Yeah, the scene handler, we need them. That was supposed to be the script. It doesn't work. The object in. Oh, instead it just takes the function from there, I guess. Alright. Scene functions. Okay, see. See. Alright, maybe that will work now. Oh, maybe. Need to reference anything else there, I think. Let's see, alright. Oh, right. Oh, right. The giga ones, not the regular hobos. I want the giga hobos, So then we'll need to get this one. Can we like reference it then? Because I mean, if I can, we can just do things. Like it did with the gameplay. Wait, you mean the game over? Yeah, it should. It should work. Like that, I think it should work. It's just like I forgot to reference stuff, basically. I was going fast to set things up until I realized, yeah, that we kinda can't pass things between scenes. And then I slowed down. No, that's actually fine. Alright, I'm gonna need one more. Yeah, for defense. 10 defense. Defense. Alright. Someone. Someone. Please. That should be it. Alright, there it is. Yes, it's here. Yeah, I'm just not sure if Unity will actually understand how it works that way. So it stays, that one stays all the time. But let's see, can we actually maybe reference it now? I'm gonna try to maybe like put it on button or something. It would work. You can reference it on the button though, so I kinda don't think we can reference them between the scenes. I guess we just kinda like get a huge function, right? Just to kinda read from that one, right? Without the reference. Just try to call the whole object somehow there. There was a way, right? I think we did it for something before. Don't remember where was that at all. It's like we make the list here. And then... Actually, can we just like, since the scene is kinda alive, can't we... Or this one is rather kinda alive, can we just like... On game over, just send to those buttons. Like, so it stays, but like, what then? What then? There is a way, seems like, to save the sum variable, though. Let me see. I grab the list for the UI stats. But without reference, how are we gonna do that? It's like there's no reference. How are we gonna grab them from there? Since we can reference it. Search the thing by name. Okay. Game object find. That way. Interesting. Alright, sure. I mean, it makes more sense than maybe it didn't work. I just feel like it's kind of like weird one, especially if you have a lot of stuff that probably takes a while. I mean, well, let's try, sure. Maybe better to pass it through here then. On the scene, it's on the UI elements, yeah. Like, technically, you can update it from here then, I guess, maybe. Should only exist one encounter manager. Yeah, there is only one. thing is, I have to do it from the start screen. So we need like on load to do something, I guess. Some sort of a screen that on load will pull that stuff in. So we need to like make some sort of something here, or maybe on this one actually. Like some script, I guess, and get things to work on load there. Oh yeah, true. Actually, yeah, we have the start thing. Yeah, to fill the AI. All right. Let's do it. Let's do it. Are you all the way there? Let's see. I guess we'll need the buttons, the button text. Not the button, just text. What was the name of this one? Text mesh. This one, right? I think. Wait. Bigger. In this one, we're still gonna need it though. Yeah, bigger. Inside this one. In this one. Or rather, in this one. Alright, so I'll start. Yeah, true. Cool, do that too. Fine, whatever. We need for each, I guess, right? For each, how did that work already? How do we populate that stuff? That was a one. No, nothing about it. No, where was it? Where was our for each then? I got that. You're trying? Actually, true. Yeah, we don't have a list there. That's true. Yeah. Well, I mean, for each element in the list, we would add another line to the text field. We have all the names in the list. They're not just the string or something. The list into 2 string. Oh yeah, the encounter alert defined. Yeah, true. That's yeah. We need this first. We need this first. So what was that? Game object find? No, that should be exactly that one, I guess. Then game object find. Try, I guess. That's so we're storing this one in this one. All right. So that will be list, I guess, right? Because we're kind of saving a list there, so we need some sort of list from there. You know, how do we go with this one? Oh, we would just store the object, I guess, right? So we have encounter something. Gonna be immediately dig down the list. All right. The object. Okay, so we need the game object class too, right? Game object counters this way. Oh yeah. Alright, so now show the list. Oh, there it is. A list goes here. The list with encounters. So just a bunch of strings. We need to format it better though, probably. Data type string. It's the string list. We need to kind of like maybe add what's the name? The new on the new line. Just a list of string, yeah. I forgot how to do it. Also with concatenation maybe to get new line every time. Maybe when we store it or something. Just think about adding also the stuff that will switch the lines. So we get them vertically, the vertical list, rather than just the list. But whatever, that we can fix later. I'll just pass it. We just need to pass it. The rest we'll figure it out. What is wrong with you here? Ah, do we need to get this one here first? Fine. At least another component. I should be. It's encounter name, which we just kind of stated as the list of strings. That's pretty much it. Right, so there should be an encounter handler. Oh, yeah. The object was encounter manager. This one. Yeah, so I guess we need the encounter manager object, not the handler. I would assume, which we actually have. Yeah, which I already typed in apparently. Feels good, huh? Yeah, listening encounter. Alright. Wait, so we don't even need this then. I forgot. Whatever. Well, let's see some of them at least. Don't think it sees this one though. Oh yeah, of course. And now we need to get it there. Now we'll need to print it in. Oh yeah, this stuff. I mean, we just need to start printing it in. I guess we could do it from there even. If it actually works. Well, I mean, we need to start already. Like, no issues found, so we just need to start doing it. We might as well just save, I guess, see what happens. But we need to check it first. So we need to get some, I mean, that works, so a debug log. Anyway, no, something didn't work. Oh, encounter list text equal encounters. Oh, just to get the text there. I mean, we can, sure. I mean, fine. Can we just like pretty much already get the UI going then? Yeah, we already have encounter list there anyway. I mean, it show. Oh, 2 stream. Yeah. Just need to format it later and we're good. Just need to reference stuff though. You go with the encounter, but that's gonna be like boring. We need to see a list of encounters after all. After all, eh? I'll see, maybe we'll get them fast. We need him a couple of times anyway. I need to get a whole list of them. I guess he can beat some hobos. We can beat some hobos. Maybe solutions for the encounters. In the list too. In the list too. This will be more annoying already though, because that's completely different stuff. Actually, I guess not that annoying. No, it's gonna take a while until they all arrive. But there's gonna be a long list there. Here he is. Now just one more. One more fight. Encounter faster, yeah. True. At least for test purposes, wouldn't hurt. There he is. A generic list, one system string. Doesn't sound right. The 2-string didn't work, or what did you actually? What did you even actually get there, dude? So the list didn't even feel like somehow. Nice 2-string, yeah. Maybe need to set parameters in 2-string. We got something, I guess, yeah. 1 second, actually also kinda does the wrong buttons there, seems like. This way. Yeah, at least we got something there. Do you need some like parameters maybe for 2-string or something? I mean, technically it's a list, right? So don't we need the... Do we need the count for it or something? Well, I was thinking about for each actually, Zebra, yeah. If we remove the 2-string. Yep. Hello, Zebra. Count is 0. I mean, in this way. To see just to see what it gets. Alright, makes sense, sure. Fine. That's easy, bro. I see. That's the top result there. Well, I mean, that may be what we need to do later anyway. I wouldn't be surprised. I wouldn't be surprised. I get them a bit faster there. Alright, here's the Giga Hobo. Yeah, let's see if it even passes properly. Okay, super lucky there. Encounters alone. That doesn't sound right. How so? I think it just gets like the wrong thing here. In general, that was in here. Yeah, it seems like it's not even the name. It's in car.name. Did we name it name actually? Yeah, it should be the name. even show me here. Maybe that way. Could that be? Maybe like title. Actually the name of the scriptable object. That's the thing. I think it inherits that name from the object. Like it inherits because of that. So what if we go with the title and we do well, that kind of should work, I think. That's maybe okay. Okay, still goes titles. Reset. Or name rather. The name variable encounter name. I think we already have the encounter name. Oh, did save now. 1 second. It was overlapping. The name was overlapping. No. Okay, now it's title. Oh, it just come on. I reset all of it. Name also works. That does something else, something wrong. We'll see. Wait a second. Yeah, it's not name now, it's title. 1 second. Don't see it here, that's why probably. Probably because of that. What was it encounter even? No, name is wrong actually now. That's why probably, but also this thing. Scroll up, what? What it means to you? Oh, this thing? Yeah, I guess. The rule. That was wrong encounter. It was just any encounter, I guess. Still YOLO this shit. Oh, we still YOLO this shit. C-string seems garbo. I mean, we'll see. So 4 each is like the best. Yeah, looks like it is, huh? It's the same shit. Fine, let's try 0 then. Casting the list a string, yeah. Yeah, maybe 4 each is the way then. Cast the zebra set, and just as I started doing it in the beginning. Well, I mean, if you could just cast it with some function, that will be easy. Yeah, that works somewhat. At least that way it kinda does. It records something. We'll see if it's the right one later, but well, at least something does. Yeah, it's only one element, so there is no fancy way. But there is no fancy way then. And just for each. Encounter in encounters. No, should be for each encounter name, I guess, right? Or oh no, we already got it in. Yeah, we already got it in there. The thing is, we need to I can't do it this way because I'm just gonna replace the text with one. We need to kind of like line them up there too. For each on list directly. How so, Zebra? Concatenate with line breaks. Yeah, and we need we need some variable to save all that. Hey, you suggested you said that. Fuck off. Encounters for each encounter. No, wait, encounter into something this way? Yeah, that's the whole object. That's the whole object. Oh, encounter list text. Alright. Plus equal, right? Wait, what does it like? So we don't remove this one. Well, let's try, yeah. So you mean we just remove this there? Hey, how does that work, Zebra? So encounters for each encounter after this one. Append here, don't remember your code. What goes there? Is some variable there? So you're just gonna like put the encounter into that variable that is after the arrow. Yeah, that I got. I was asking Zebra like what is there? Well, how he did it for each. Oh, the arrow function. I'm just curious, man. It's not like I'm doing something different. Just want to know. Counter plus this one, alright. In the Kadut. Again, can type already. Counter plus. Just on this keyboard even. Better. This one. The lumped expression, alright. So like after the arrow, just put the variable where you want to assign that shit, right? Or what do you do there? Or how does that work? Yeah, fine, let's see. Brother, you just told me not to do it. Piece of shit. Literally told me that. Visual Studio doing a little trolling there. Wait, not encounter list encounter. Oh yeah, true. Autocompletes, man. Trusting AI too much. It's gonna be my undoing there. Now it's not even showing it as an error. Deactivated the AI thing. I mean that thing is actually quite smart. I like that, especially since I'm kind of like not, you know, super good. At least it gives me some options to look into. Missing an S. Wait, where? Do I? Where? See, roasting someone. No, there it is. This one counters. Oh, it still keeps the old one too. Oh yeah, we have this thing. So then I could do it differently though. Yeah, list of encounters is just like the default thing, but because we kind of like add instead of replace, then it stays. So I just need to make it empty and that's it, basically. Yeah, we just make it empty. Yeah, can do that. But I mean, whatever. Just can remove it. Or I just like remove odd, like remove one more field that way too. I can just remove like this one, for example, and just enter here, but whatever. I can just make this one empty. I don't think that's a problem. I don't think it cares. Wait, how would it go if I would want to, like with the what Zebra made? Oh yeah, that was Visual Studio. That was Visual Studio. And just doing that to me. So like if you do it with that way, so you do like counters for each. And counter, and then you do like this way, and that's where you do the variety you want to kind of put it in, right? That's how it goes. Just like curious how it works. And this is like encounter list.txt. That would be the way to do it. And then, well, we would need also to figure out how to add instead of just put it there. Wait, encounter, and then you slap this one. Oh, wait, so like after the arrow, you just get the full line here. All right, well, I mean, sure. Let's try. How was that going? Was it like triple or something? I already forgot. That was the comment. The comment. Yeah, C0, right. What was the uncommon thingy? I already forgot. Did we do it in the... Was it 3? Or was it not? How did we do? Documentation was, right? Oh, we still do it on every line. Alright. Here you go. I thought there would be something to give me like that. What if I do this way? Will it understand me? We need every line. Alright, fine, whatever. PP again. Oh, I see, alright. Because last time I think it also can like autocomplete for me or something. Right. Well, you expected that there. This way, I guess. A bit too much there. The variable and then whatever you want that variable to be used in. All right. Lucky. Good Giga Hope RNG. Oh, I see. All right. Clicking the UI. Shake it by SBH. All right. Double Giga. Yeah, very nice. Good. I have 2 ways to do it even then. Got all the hobos in there. Nice, nice. Insane. Insane. The double giga hobos. Too much, too much. Scrollable. Yeah, I did. I mean, we can try. Yeah, I haven't seen our voice really yet. Let's see. We just need to get more. Just ignore a couple of giga hobos. That way we'll survive a bit longer. We stolen. We stolen. We just be stolen. I mean, the font is pretty big, so should be good enough. Should be good enough. Monk is. No. Well, that doesn't really look. Even though it's kind of like... Ah, wait, what? What is this? A racism towards Giga Hobos, I think? Or was that here? Someone is kind of sus here. I think maybe I... Nah, I got all the names in. We found some bugs. Ah, I know why. Alright. PP again. I know why. Head this way. Of course. Of course. Didn't update this one. So we need longer. But I think it's already overflowing there. I think it's already overflowing. It didn't really give me the scroll. Come on, what is this RNG? Come on, man. Like it should be way, like it was smaller. Like the field was over before buttons, so that works somehow else. That works somehow else, looks like. Unless maybe when it gets out of the panel completely. So we'll see, I guess, if we get lucky. Well, UI in general will require some messing around with how to do it properly. That already will. There will be something to mess around with. How to do it properly. No. True zero true. That's more fun. That's more fun. I mean, we just like look at it real quick. With the line breaks, we are manually true. Actually, yeah. That actually might be true. So that goes like one line basically. One very long line without actual breaks. Yeah, just go down there. And just goes down there. Yeah, we'll need to see how that is done properly. That line break should kind of like separate them though. Yes, scroll erect. Totally was erect, not sure about scroll. Horizontal mapping, vertical mapping, line paragraph match aspect. Ah, could actually be lines maybe. I'm not sure exactly. Because the amount of characters is not much if that kicks in the scrolling. I'm not sure actually. Like amount of characters is not that low, we're just like kinda skipping them down there. Damn, Nick feels bad, man. The game plan. Yeah, we'll see. We'll see in general. Like UI is gonna be some like the whole fiesta to deal with anyway, one way or another. Yeah, I'm gonna go now too. I'm gonna go now too. They gonna go also. Thought it was a bit shorter today because I already did a bit longer. Stuck in the news, stuck in talking about things basically, as always. So now is gonna be a good time to go. Tomorrow, yeah, tomorrow we already have some presentations. Feels good, man. So yeah, I will be back tomorrow 8:30 AM CET. It's Monday, so we're gonna be doing some toading. We're gonna be visiting our boy Toad again for the full day, finishing the Deidre Shrine quests, doing some of the town quests. Most likely will still be enough for tomorrow, to be honest. If somehow already done, then like there's also arena and the DLCs, so a bunch of stuff still to do. So yeah, that's gonna be planned for tomorrow, all day Oblivion, then 6 p.m. 6 p.m. is a Paradox show. We're gonna do it on Twitch, so everyone's there and everything. No one's missing anything. So yeah, we're gonna be doing the Paradox presentation. See what they have to show to us. I doubt it's gonna be a long one. I don't really mind. 6 p.m. is good. 6 p.m. I don't mind. So you're gonna post schedule in the morning for the week, and yeah, that's pretty much it. Thank you guys once again for all support. Thank you for hanging out. Thank you for helping me with the Unity and coding stuff. Always appreciate it. Thank you so much. Thank you, and yeah, see ya all tomorrow. Have a nice rest of the Sunday evening. Love you all. Bye.